Hello and welcome to our brow henna tutorial. You should always look for a trained and qualified technician to complete your brow henna. Brow henna is an excellent temporary alternative for those who do not want to commit to an eyebrow tattoo. First step is to cleanse the brow area. Second step is to do the brow mapping using your professional brow henna white blockout pencil. Since I already have previously tattooed eyebrows, I am not going to do the entire brow mapping process because the shape is already there. So instead, I'm just going to skip over to blocking out the entire brow shape. So this step is necessary to ensure that the henna does not go outside of the eyebrow shape borders. And this is what it looks like when the brow mapping and brow blocking is completed. Most clients freak out at this point and say, oh my god, I don't want my brows to be that big. They will not be that big, you just have to trust your technician. So I typically like to customize and mix colors to make sure that I get that perfect shade for each individual. So the two shades that I'm mixing here is Deep Umbra and Chocolate Dust in a 70-30 ratio, and once the colors are mixed, you just simply apply to the area inside the border. Now you wait and let it dry. You will likely have to apply 2 or 3 layers. Once you have applied all of your layers, you're going to check to make sure that the henna is completely dry. Once the henna is fully dry, you're going to remove it with wet cotton pads. Then comb through and groom and style your brows. Brow henna typically lasts up to 6 to 8 weeks or longer, and please follow the aftercare instructions that we'll be posting right after this video to ensure that you are extending the longevity of your brow henna. And ta-da! There you go, the final result of my brow henna. The shade is absolutely perfect. This is the shade that I always use when I fill in my brows. And now I'll have perfectly shaped and groomed brows for the next 6 to 8 weeks. Amazing! Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you'd like to book an appointment for a brow henna or brow consultation, please send us an email at info@hrhbeauty.com. You can also visit our website to book online, www.hrhbeauty.com. And thanks for watching.